In this video, I'm going to give you some tips for setting up your file structure for this class. First, you'll want to go to a web browser such as Google Chrome and log into your Google Drive, which is drive.google.com, and log in with your Missouri Western account. If you already have folders here, let's make a new folder for Art 129 Design Software Applications and create. Under shared drives, you should see our course Art 129 Design Software Applications. And this is where you'll find a folder to submit your files to its respective exercise folder, all of the assignment instruction PDFs, the exercise files for each exercise, and Google Fonts and any other resources you may want to copy to your portable hard drive or download and copy to your personal Google Drive, and the syllabus. So first, let's copy our assignment instructions, and you can do that individually by either right-clicking or over here at the right, there's a download icon. You can download all the instruction files at once by shift selecting those files, or if you right-click on the folder, you can do download. And then for the exercise files, again, you can download all of them at once or just download the exercise you're working on, again, by right-clicking in the sidebar or in the main area and downloading. You should see a download notification in your browser, and you can either go to the folder where it downloaded, or you can directly open and unzip or extract the files. So we're going to have to extract all, and it's going to my downloads. So be sure you know where those files are being downloaded so you can copy them over to your external hard drive, or so you know where to navigate in your file explorer to upload them. So for instance, let's go back to our downloaded assignment instructions and let's extract all of those and double check that all the files are in there. And if we go back to my drive and Art 129 folder we just created, you can drag and drop your folder of files right into there, or individual files into your drive. So that's a good way to have an assignment instructions folder with all the instructions. Another way you can navigate to your files is to right-click and do File Upload and navigate to the location of the files you just downloaded. Unfortunately, you can't copy files directly from the shared drive to your Google Drive, so you have to download and upload them to your personal drive. So going back to the exercise 1 files that I downloaded, I'm going to upload that folder to my personal drive, art folder. And within this exercise 1 folder, you're going to want to upload the working file as well as your completed files, including your completed Illustrator file, the PDF you're going to save, and you could also include the instructions. So you'll want to have all of those files uploaded on your personal drive and your portable hard drive. And now on the shared drive, you're going to go to Submit Files folder, the respective exercise folder, and here's where you're going to upload your completed exercise, the PDF. As you can see, I've uploaded here already. And for the file naming, each file should have art129 underscore exercise -1 hyphen the first letter of your name, your last name underscore V1, and that stands for version 1. If you've saved a file that's still in progress to your personal drive and you aren't sure if you're finished or if you need to make updates, go ahead and make a copy of the working file by right-clicking, make a copy, and let's rename this with a V2 at the end. So that way we know it's the most recent file that we've been working on. Be sure to save your working file often in case the program crashes, and always make sure you know where the files are being saved, whether they're going to the computer or your hard drive. The files are deleted daily on campus, so you want to make sure you're not saving and leaving files there. If your files are still in progress, be sure to upload what you have to your personal drive, and then you'll have to download it to the computer you're working on in the future and upload when you're finished to the Submit Files folder.